Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Budget Scenery Workshop. And I just wanted to introduce a new playlist I'll be working on. Let's say this one will last a year, and it'll be one video per month. And this is the introduction to the £10 workshop challenge. Basically, I'll just quickly run through the rules. These are kind of self-imposed, but it's an open challenge. If anyone else cares to take part, I just thought it'd be something interesting to do. So, the rules are: no more than £10 per month can be spent on supplies for the workshop. Any money that isn't spent from the previous month rolls over to the next month. That includes change and stuff like that. This playlist must include builds. You can also do commissions, so if a build is sold, those funds can be added to the wallet. So I'll be starting with absolutely nothing, okay? So I can't use anything from my current workshop apart from, my desk, my camera. But yeah, basically start with nothing, just £10 to start with. Nothing can be gifted to me or bought as a present, because someone that's relatively well off could say, hey, I've bought you a 3D printer, or I've brought you a Proxon. So yeah, nothing can be gifted or bought as a present. Foraging for stones and bark is allowed, and obviously if you're getting stones and bark, you can wash the stones with like soap or whatever, and the bark can be sanitized in an oven. Recycling current workshop items is allowed. So say if you have an empty tub from a paint, you can reuse that to mix more paint, or basically anything you get for the current workshop can be recycled however you see fit. Obviously using tap water is allowed, so friends can help with suggestions and hints on where to pick up budget items and stuff. But no freebies, so wherever possible I'll be providing a link to the item itself or a receipt. And where will I be looking for these items? Obviously any shops, eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. So, with all that out of the way, essentially I just wanted to be fun and an interesting challenge for myself. So, month one, what did I buy? I got plenty of PVA, £2.49. That should last me a good while. I thought about, every household has a pencil and a ruler and a pen, but I thought, what the hell? I could have saved myself £2.49, but in this we have 2 pencils, a pen, a rubber sharpener, and a ruler. So that's a few things crossed off the shopping list already. And with these I was pretty impressed. 24 pack of poster paints for £3.99. So all this should last me quite a while. And I got these from a shop called B&M. And there is the receipt. So this will be every month. I'll try and get it as early on in the month as possible. So, end goals. What are the end goals for this challenge? Well, ideally, I'd like it to be like a decent intermediate style workshop. Like no fancy tools, like a airbrush compressor or a 3D printer, or I doubt I could afford those things anyway, unless someone goes mental and happens to be selling one for £10 or less. And I'd also like a nice mixed range of bits in a nice bits box. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this introduction to the £10 workshop challenge. If you are not subscribed, please do so. Don't forget that little notification bell, as I have noticed 74% of views are from people that are non-subscribed. So please do subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it really helps out the channel. Okay folks, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.